Hello everyone! I'm here today at Mintan, Indonesia with Miss Wiwik. And we have some common Indonesian and Filipino words. Okay.
Batu,
Bato,
pulau.
pulo in Filipino.
Expensive is mahal.
Expensive in Filipino is mahal.
Cheap is murah.
It's also mura,
White is putih.
but with H, right? You say it with H?
Putih with H.
Yeah.
Putih.
In Filipino, we say puti, just puti.
Shoes is sepatu.
Sapatos. Yeah.
Scissors is gunting.
We also call it gunting. News.
News is kabar.
We have balita.
Berita.
Yes, balita.
Berita or kabar. Yes.
Alright. Wind.
Wind is angin.
Hangin with H. Hangin.
Goat is kambing.
Call it kambing also, but in that's Tagalog, but in Bisaya it's also kanding.
Kambing. Yes. Brain is otak.
In Filipino it's utak.
Yes.
Utak.
Rope is
Tali. In Filipino.
tali.
Oh. We call it tali.
Right is right for benar or right for the
Kanan.
kanan.
We call it
Right
kanan.
is kanan.
It's also kanan in Filipino.
So we are same, I think.
Same.
Door is pintu.
In Filipino, it's pinto with O.
Right. Pintu.
Pinto.
Man is laki-laki.
We call it lalaki.
Right.
Same.
Moon is bulan.
It's buwan. It's buwan, but in Bisaya, it's also bulan.
Bulan.
Yeah.
Yes. Sky is langit.
It's also langit in Filipino. That's all, I think. So yeah, thank you so much.
It's the same, right?
Yeah, same. Basically the same because we're neighbors and we do
just
some.
like dialects and
Yeah. So thank you so much, Miss Wiwik and the staff of Angsana.
Thank you.
How do you say thank you?
Terima kasih.
Salamat.
Selamat. Terima kasih.